Last month, GitHub launched Agentic Workflows, AI agents running inside GitHub Actions. It's a big deal. But Cole and his team have been building this exact thing since 2025. And their version has features GitHub doesn't even have yet. It's called Archon. Take any workflow you have with an AI coding assistant and package it up into something you can run repeatably and reliably. Parallel execution across isolated branches. 7 platform integrations. It works with Claude Code, Codex or both at the same time. And it's launching on GitHub within the next weeks with a live stream on Cole's channel. Watch what happens. You might know the original Archon. Around 13,000 stars on GitHub. It was built around RAG and task management for AI coding agents. But here's the thing. Modern AI agents like Claude Code and Codex handle RAG and task lists natively now. That whole layer became redundant, so Cole and his team rebuilt it from scratch. The new Archon lets you take any workflow you already do with AI coding assistants and package it into something repeatable and reliable. If you know N8N or GitHub Actions, think of it as that. But instead of API calls and bash scripts, the steps are AI agents. You define workflows in YAML as directed acyclic graphs or DAGs. A DAG is just a flowchart, where steps only go forward, never loop back. Each node is a task. Prompt an AI, run a command, execute a script, or wait for human approval. And independent nodes in the same layer run in parallel automatically. Same workflow, same result. Every time. That's the part raw agents can't give you. Here's where it gets practical. Drop a GitHub issue link into Archon's chat. That's it. One message. Archon investigates your codebase, reads the files that matter, creates an implementation plan, writes the code, runs validation, creates a pull request. Then it runs 5 specialized review agents in parallel. Code quality, error handling, test coverage, comment quality, documentation impact. A synthesizer consolidates all 5 reports, and an autofixer addresses the critical findings. One workflow. Hands off. And every step is visible in the execution log, so you can see exactly what the AI decided and why. But the real magic isn't one workflow. It's how they're built. This is the workflow builder. Every workflow is a visual graph you can see and edit. Nodes are color-coded by type. Blue for prompts, green for commands, orange for bash scripts, purple for loops. And on the right, the actual YAML that drives it all. What you see is exactly what runs. No hidden configuration, no guessing what the agent will do next. You read the DAG top to bottom, and you know the full sequence before it ever executes. If you've ever debugged a raw agent session, wondering what it did and in what order. This is the fix. Now here's where it gets wild. The Smart PR review workflow spawns 5 specialized agents simultaneously. One checks code quality, one checks error handling, one checks test coverage, one checks comment quality, one checks documentation impact, then a synthesizer consolidates everything into a single report. And an autofixer goes back and addresses the critical and high severity findings. According to Anthropic's 2026 report, developer acceptance of AI changes jumps from around 62% to around 89% when the agent provides structured summaries. This is that. Every workflow gets its own isolated Git worktree on a dedicated branch. 5 workflows running simultaneously on 5 different features. 0 merge conflicts. Think of it like Docker for your branches. Each workflow gets a clean, isolated copy of the repo. Automatic branch creation per issue. Automatic cleanup when the workflow finishes. No stepping on each other's files. No, wait, who pushed to main? You're probably thinking, that's nice for one machine. But what about when you're not at your desk? Wait, 91% of solo AI builders quit within 3 months. But not this group. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts where you debug together. Weekly workshops that actually level you up. A full agentic coding course. 72 lessons, 12 modules. From zero to shipping multi-agent systems. People share projects, brainstorm ideas, help each other in real time. This is where AI builders actually make it. Link in description, 10% off. Join us. Back to the video now. You don't have to be at your desk to use Archon. It works from a web UI, the command line, Slack, Telegram, GitHub mentions, Discord, and Git. 7 platforms, all sharing the same conversation history and codebase state. Start a workflow from your phone on the train. Check the results from Slack during lunch. Review the PR from the web dashboard after dinner. The agent doesn't care where you are, it just keeps running. Archon ships with 17 production-ready workflows and 36 reusable command templates. This isn't a blank canvas where you have to figure everything out yourself. You get issue fixing, idea to PR, smart review, conflict resolution, safe refactoring, architecture sweeps, and more. All customizable in YAML. Override any bundle default or write your own from scratch. We covered the setup and the workflows. Now the part that actually matters for teams. The dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of every workflow run across all your projects. Filter by status, running, paused, completed, failed. See duration, timestamps, and which agent handled what. And the execution view shows you exactly what the AI did at each step. Not a black box, a glass box. For power users, Archon has enterprise-grade controls. Hooks let you intercept agent tool calls. Block shell access on review nodes. Enforce type checking before commits. MCP servers, that's Model Context Protocol. Attach external tools like GitHub, Postgres, or Slack to specific workflow nodes. You can whitelist or blacklist tools per node for sandboxing. And you can override the AI model per step. Haiku for cheap classification, Opus for complex implementation, Codex for testing, write model for each job. So how does Archon stack up? Raw agents like Claude Code or Cursor give you ad hoc prompting. No reproducibility, no parallel execution, no audit trail. They're powerful, but they're unpredictable. GitHub Agentic Workflows are GitHub native, which is convenient, but they're simpler. No DAG execution, no parallel layers, no per node model control, no approval gates. Devin is fully autonomous with its own environment. But it starts at $20 a month and goes up to $500 for teams, and it's still a black box. Archon is self-hosted, and you only pay for API costs. The honest take: if you're happy with ad hoc prompting, you don't need this. But when you need the same workflow to run the same way every time across multiple features, Archon is the orchestration layer that gets you there. The new Archon is launching on GitHub within the next few weeks, replacing the original repo. Cole is doing a live stream on his channel for the launch. So if this looks useful to you, stay tuned. Once it's out, setup is straightforward. Docker Compose, SQLite by default, zero database setup, self-hosted, so your code never leaves your machine. Cole and his team have over 100,000 YouTube subscribers, and the community around this is growing fast. Links to everything are in the description. Install guides and tutorials are coming to the channel as soon as Archon launches. And if you want to go deeper into agentic coding right now, the Dynamous course and daily workshops are already running. Link below. Orchestrated agents or raw prompting, which side are you on? Tell me in the comments.